Hey Advanced Band, this week you're going to be doing another video submission, but we are going to center everything around the time signature 3/4 time. So your instruction sheet will look like this, your rhythm will look like this. However, I am going to be demonstrating a different rhythm. I'm going to demonstrate this one right here. Keeping in mind that yes, you will probably see rests in your example. Actually, this is not the one I'm going to demonstrate. There we go. I'll demonstrate this one. You are more than able to count and clap if you don't have your instrument at home. Remember, if you're counting and clapping, it has to be in time. If you're playing your instrument, it's got to be in time. I did change the metronome marking to be 90 instead of 80. That way, it doesn't feel like it's incredibly slow. So I'm going to demonstrate counting and clapping the first line only. You're going to do both lines when you do yours. Start my metronome here. I'm in 3/4 time, so the number highest that I will count to obviously is 3. You knew that. In 1, here's count and clap. 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Making sure when I have a rest that I am not actually doing anything except for pulsing with my hands apart. That way, I still know that there's something going on there, it's just silent. Whatever note you play for the concert B flat scale is the note that you will play on this example, the one that you see. I'm going to demonstrate with this one. In 1, here it is. 2, 3. Making sure if there are rests at the end of your example that you are still counting those, or if the note is longer, like this one right here, you hold it for the full amount that it receives. If you have further questions, please make sure you let me know. This tutorial wasn't going to be long just because you've already done this before. If you haven't done this and you don't know how to set your computer up to actually allow Flash to play, please make sure you check out the tab labeled Video Submission Test Run. That's going to show you how you're actually going to enable Flash on your laptop. If you have questions, just shoot me a message or an email.